Got that unloosened. Took the belts off. Now I have to pop this off. This is the one I struggle with all the time. Actually, that fan is dirty, but it doesn't look really, really bad. But yeah, that's dirty. Yuck. That's the crud in there. That's nasty. So if anybody ever says wood is not dirty, here's proof of it. My little sidekick was in here with me, but I got too much stuff going on the floor today that I have pieces laying around, and she got one piece and chewed it up. She's a good girl, though. I was mad at her yesterday. I took her to get a pedicure, and I ran in somewhere, and I came out and got back in the truck, and I had tea all over, and here she got into my sweet tea. So she had a sugar high last night. Then she's coming along well with her service training. She's doing really good. We try to get her out as much as possible. And she's doing amazing. I mean, I honestly, I could not ask for a better dog. You know, and I've had animals all my life growing up, and she is really one of the best dogs that I've had. And she is a good girl. Listen, this is just a dry one. I'm just taking it around just to make sure I got stuff dry and stuff still dirty. It looks a lot better than what it was. But I don't think it was that bad compared to some that I have seen. I've seen some people's fans and they are pretty bad. This is my mess.